Yes, ma'am.
Come on, partnership. What do you know about partnership? What do you all know about partnership? Please tell, what do you know about partnership?
When two businesses join together.
When two people do business together. Okay, what are the income statement which is made in partnership? Umaid,
Yes.
what is the income statement that is made in partnership?
Uh, Dividend of profit.
No. See, in partnership, first thing that we make is a trading account. Do you know the format
Okay.
of the trading account?
Yes.
Say,
It's this format of trading account, right? First profit of the year.
first sales minus cost of sales. This will give you gross profit. This is format of which account?
Income statement.
Trading account. Income statement, yeah, but the trading section. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, then after that what you do?
After that, incomes
Add other income.
or
Then less other
then expenses,
What
less
do
other
you get?
expense, profit for the year.
You get profit for the year. Okay. So when you do less other expenses, there is one expense that we always less, which is related to the partners, which comes in other expense, and the name of that expense is interest on loan.
Interest on loan.
Yeah. What is the name of that expense? It is interest on loan. You're going to always subtract it before arriving at profit for the year. Okay.
Okay.
Who gives this loan? Interest on loan given by partner to firm.
From bank.
No, partner will give from their own pocket to the firm, and the firm will
Okay.
give them interest. This is one expense related to the partner but comes in income statement. Jonathan, am I clear up to here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. After the income statement, what is the account that we prepare?
After incomes, we will prepare the profit and loss appropriation account.
Appropriation account. After the income statement, the account that we prepare is the profit and loss appropriation account. This same profit is brought down over here. Okay, what is the name of this
Yes.
profit?
Profit for the year.
Profit for the year. There are some other names that it is called out by. It is profit after interest on loan. Just look at the words that I'm using. It is profit after interest on loan, or you can say it is profit before appropriation. This profit for the year, which is brought down, it has different names. The different names are profit after interest on loan or profit before appropriation. Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. In this, you are going to add few things. What are the things that you will add?
First we add interest on drawing.
Yeah, interest on drawings. So I always make my students learn it this way. We will say we will add income from partners. Okay. What is the name
Okay.
of income from partners? This is interest on drawings. It is interest on drawings. Okay. What do we subtract?
The interest on capital.
So it is expense towards partners. Expense towards partners means the money that we are giving to the partners. So it is interest on capital. What else do we subtract?
What else to subtract?
It is expense towards partners. Suppose we are giving salary to partner, that we will subtract. Suppose if you are giving commission to partner, that also we would subtract. Are you with me?
Yes, yes.
Okay, fine. So after subtracting all this, in the profit, you're going to add this. You're going to subtract all this. You get an amount. What is that amount called?
Total expenses.
No. This amount is called net divisible profit.
Oh,
What is this amount called?
net divisible profit.
Net divisible profit. What will you do with this net divisible profit?
From this, we will divide it into
Same
the.
amount you will divide amongst the partners in the profit sharing ratio, and it will be share of profit between A and B. This amount will be divided. Okay? And the way it is presented, the highlighted amount remains the same.
Okay. Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Yes. The
Understood?
share of for the share of A and B,
Hmm.
they will give us, for example, they will give us the percentage
They
that
will
they hold
give us
this
the
much share.
sharing ratio.
Okay.
Okay? So the format of profit and loss appropriation account, can you all tell me?
Sorry.
Can you tell me the format of profit and loss appropriation account?
First, we write profit for the year from the income statement. Then we add income from partner, take interest from drawings. Then expense toward the partner, like interest on capital, commission, and salary. Then we,
After
from
doing the
that, we will
added
get
money,
net divis. Yes, after adding that and subtracting the expense, we will get net divisible profit. That we will share. From that, we will get share of profit to the
this
towards the
same
partner.
amount we are going to share between A and B.
Okay.
Okay? Then we
Yes.
make partners capital account. What do we make?
Capital account.
We make capital account of the partners. So say for example, if I have two partners, the name of my partners is A and B. So it is just like the capital account format. Where will the capital go?
Opening on credit side.
This is the opening capital. If there is any additional capital, where will it go?
Debit side.
Here only. Additional capital. What am I talking about?
Additional capital. Okay.
Additional capital. That will also go on the credit side. Where will the closing capital come?
Debit side.
Debit side. Okay. Then you have Income from partners. What you're adding over here? Where will the income from partners come? Drawing
Debit side.
over here, okay?
Drawings.
Okay. And there is one more thing which comes in the capital account but does not come in appropriation account. So there are basically 5 things that come in the capital account but does not come here. 5 things that come in the capital account but does not come here. What are those 5 things? First thing is
Opening balance.
capital, additional capital, drawings, closing capital, and the 5th thing is interest on loan.
Okay.
These are the 5 things that comes in the capital account but does not come here. Am I clear?
Yes.
Jonathan, what are the 5 things that come in the capital account but does not come in the appropriation account?
Interest on loan,
Hmm.
um,
Balance begin down,
balance
additional
begin,
capital, interest
additional
on
cap,
loan,
interest on loan.
drawings and balance close down. 5 things that come in the capital account but does not come in appropriation account. Can you please repeat it for me?
Balance begin down, additional capital, interest on loan, drawings, and balance CD.
Balance sheet. Okay. Now whatever is income from partners over here will be written over here. And whatever is expense towards partners, it will be written over here. Are you with me?
Yes, yeah.
Okay. Which side will profit come?
Profit will come towards debit side.
Profit here. Share of profit here. Share of loss here. Share of profit here. Share of loss here. Is this done?
Yes.
Ma'am, what is that below drawing income from?
Partners.
Okay, thank you.
What is the income from partners?
The interest on drawings.
Okay. Interest on drawing. What is the expense towards partners?
The interest on capital, commission, and salary.
Hmm. Profit, which side will you write?
Profit on credit side and loss on debit side.
Loss on the debit side. Okay, now we will start. Is this format very clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now we will start with the MCQs.
Okay.
Jonathan,
Yes, ma'am.
I hope this format is very clear with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Inventory valuation also have to teach you. And just make me remind. Just remind me about it. Let's start with the MCQs. First MCQ. If the partners don't have agreement, how will the profit or loss be shared?
In the ratio of partner's capital,
No.
individual capital.
If no agreement, then profits and losses will be shared equally. If no agreement, then profit and losses will be shared equally. Another thing that you need to know, that if there is no agreement, then there is no interest on capital. There is no interest on drawings. There is nothing. Nothing is given except interest on loan. Interest on loan at 6%. Okay? If there is no agreement, profit and losses will be shared equally and nothing else will be given except interest on loan.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. Yes.
Come on, go to the second one. Try it. Partner's capital account is same like partner's current account. The only difference is that in current account we don't write capital account balance.
Balance.
Try it. They want the amount that is to be credited to partner's current account. So in your books, simultaneously make the partner's current account. You have Bill and you have Ben. Come on. Jonathan, tell me if Bill is getting a salary. We are giving him a salary. Is it income from partners or expense towards partner?
Ma'am, could you repeat it again? I didn't hear.
Okay. Do you know, remember the format of profit and loss appropriation account? Do you remember the format of appropriation account?
Ma'am, is it the debit all expenses and all the credit all
No,
incomes
it is
again?
profit for the year. Profit and loss appropriation account is the partnership P&L appropriation account. Profit for the year, then what do we do?
Add income from partners,
Add
interest on
income
drawing,
from partners, then
less expense towards partner,
what will you get?
interest on capital, salary to
Yeah,
partner,
whatever
commission.
that is, what will you get? Net divisible profit. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
And this profit is shared among the partners. Are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We are giving Bill a salary of 12,000 per year. Is it income from the partner or is it expense towards the partner?
Expense,
Okay. Which side will I write this?
Credit side.
Credit side. What will I write?
Expense.
Salary.
Salary, commission, salary, commission,
12,000.
and
Okay.
interest on capital.
Okay. Now we are giving salary is 12,000. Are you with me? Profit for the year is how much?
52,000.
52,000. So profit for the year is 52,000. From this, we are first giving salary. So what will be the net divisible profit?
From 52,000, we subtract 12,000.
See over here, profit for the year is 52,000. That is why it is very important that you know the format. Profit for the year is 52,000. From that, you're giving salary 12,000. So
So
what is the net
40,000.
divisible profit?
40,000.
40,000. Now this divisible profit, what will you do?
We will divide it in the ratio 3 is to 2 to billion.
40,000 into 3/5, how much will get?
40,000, 3/5. 24,000.
24,000 who will get?
Bill.
And how much Ben will get?
40 to 2 by 5. 16,000.
16,000. What is the question that they want us to do?
To find amounts to be credited to the partners. So it will be option D.
This is
No.
36,000 and 16,000. So it
36.
is option
C. Okay.
everywhere you have to prepare this format because you have not done things throughout the year. So while doing MCQs, try preparing this format.
Okay, ma'am, can you go? I'll take a screenshot. Yes, okay, done.
Jonathan, did you understand? Jonathan, Jonathan, try this
Yes,
whole one. Did you understand, dear? Jonathan, this is the details of which account?
yes, ma'am.
This is the format of which account? Just read the
Ma'am,
contents of it and tell me in which account will all this information go. Drawings, interest on drawing,
is it
share of
appropriation?
profit. Which account format is this?
A partner.
Partners current account format. Come on, make the partners current account format. This is one partner's current account format. Tell me where will what items go? Ahmed, you can be a part of the discussion.
Uh, Balance BF.
Brought forward.
Oh, so brought down, same.
Yeah. Which side?
So debit side 200.
Hmm.
It says debit.
Then
Share of profit. Is it same as net? No. Is it same as net divisible profit?
yeah, the share of profit. Profits which side we write?
Interest on drawing on
Profit which side you will write? Share of profit which
mm,
side you will write?
profit on credit side.
How much?
20,000.
Jonathan, where will you write drawings and interest on drawings?
Debit side.
Very good. Drawings on the debit, interest on drawings on debit. What do they want from us?
Balance.
So balance the account. Which side is more? Debit side is
Uh,
more or credit side is more?
uh,
Which side is more? Which side is more
Debit
here?
side. Debit side. Debit side is small.
Sorry,
Debit side. Debit
which
side
side
will
is
be
more?
9,000 to 19,200.
This is 19,000 and this is 20,000. Which side is more?
Debit side.
Credit.
Credit side is more.
You saying more or small?
More.
I thought you saying small.
From this debit total, I will subtract which total? Credit total.
The debit total minus credit total.
So you'll get 1,000.
1,000.
This we will write over here on the small side. What is this?
Balance carried down.
This is
Balance brought down.
balance brought down is on which side? Debit or credit?
Credit.
Credit. So what would be the answer?
1,000 credit C.
Yeah. I hope you all have prepared the account. If not, I will wait for you all. Interest on loan. Tell me two places where it will come.
The
I taught you all. Just try to recollect. Just try to recollect. Will it come in the appropriation account?
Yes, ma'am.
It will come in appropriation account? Or this is an exception? It comes in the income statement. Think and tell me. Interest on loan. Interest on loan, this is an exception item. The two places where it appears is one in the income statement as other expenses. What is the first place where it will appear?
income statement.
One in the income statement as other expenses. And the other place?
Uh, capital current account.
Okay. It appears in capital account, current account. If both are given, capital account is also given, current account is also given. So first preference here. Okay. Otherwise, it normally appears in current account. Okay.
Okay.
Done. So what are the two
Total
places where interest on loan will appear?
income statement and current
Current
account,
account. Current is not there, then capital account.
capital account,
Income statement and current account. If current not there, then capital account. Okay. Which side now? Capital account or current account? Which side?
credit side,
Credit side. So यहाँ पे both is there, capital account and current account. Which side will it
current
be?
account,
Current account. So either it could be option B or option D. Now where does it appear on the debit? Income statement.
income statement.
It does not appear in appropriation account. Please be very clear. So the answer is option B. What do they want you to
Residual
study?
profit, net
Residual profit
divisible.
and net divisible profit. How do you start with?
Residual profit. First
What
we
do we
add
add?
the first we add pro first we take the profit.
Profit for the year. Then what do we add?
We add the income from partners.
What is the income from partners?
Uh, income from partners capital.
Interest on drawings.
Just on draw.
What is the income
Yeah,
from
yeah,
partners?
yeah, yeah. Interest on drawing.
What is interest on drawings?
10% of 200,000.
Hmm.
20,000.
What do we subtract?
200,000. Expense towards the partners.
We subtract
And
expense towards partners. What is expense towards partners?
interest on capital.
Interest on capital. What is the capital?
And capital is 300,000. So 10% of 300,000.
Okay. There is partners loan also.
This is an exception.
This is an exception. That means this profit should be after loan interest.
Yes.
So interest on loan I should have subtracted before this to arrive at this profit. Yes. Yes or no?
Can
Income
you repeat?
statement में से we have not yet subtracted it.
We have not yet subtracted the loan.
Interest on loan.
Okay.
Hmm?
Okay.
Or we have subtracted it.
Not yet subtracted.
How you know? They have only said profit of partnership. That means interest on loan has been adjusted. After loan interest. This interest is after loan interest. Okay? What is this
Okay.
profit? After loan profit.
Okay.
Okay, and we have no clarification whether it is before or after. So I will treat it as after loan profit. Come on, find the net
Okay.
divisible profit now. Profit, add interest on drawings, minus, what is this? Interest on capital.
90,000.
90,000. Option
C.
C. Jonathan, come on. Read this and tell me. Where will interest on capital come, Jonathan? Where will interest on capital come?
Credit
On
side.
the
Credit side. Credit side of capital account or current account. Do we have capital account over here? No. Do we have current account?
Yes.
So it could be either option C or option D. Now where will it be debited? Interest on capital?
Receive income statement.
Where
No,
do
no,
we
no.
put
Profit or
interest on
loss.
capital?
Profit and
Where do we put interest on capital? Think,
just
where do we put interest on capital?
trust on capital debit side of
Which account is this?
appropriation account.
appropriation account.
Appropriation account. We treat it as expense towards partners. So interest on capital, the two effects of interest on capital is what? Appropriation debit and partner's current account. Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. Salary to partners, what will be the
Yes.
two effects? Appropriation debit.
Expenses.
Sorry,
Is it gonna be the expenses?
expenses, yeah. So salary to partners to effect will be appropriation debit, capital credit. Commission to partners to effect, to effect for commission to partners, commission debit, capital credit. To effect for interest on drawings,
Income from partner.
So appropriation debit or credit?
Debit.
Income is always credit. Debit
So
is all expenses
appropriation.
and losses, and credit is all incomes and gains. So two effects for interest on drawings, can you tell me?
Uh, I think yeah, debit is wait. I'm not sure.
Appropriation credit, capital debit,
And draw.
interest on
Okay.
drawings, appropriation credit, capital debit. Two effects for interest on capital.
Appropriation debits and capital credit.
Yes. Two effects for salary to partners. Humaid, where are you? Two effects for salary to partners.
Salary toward partner first in the capital account it will be credited
And
and capital account credited
appropriation account
creation
debit.
debited
Okay. Two effects for commission to partners.
commission to partners. Uh Capital account credited and appropriation account debited.
Two effects for interest on drawings.
Interest on drawing, capital account debited, appropriation account credited.
Two effects for interest on loan.
Interest on loan, it is an exception.
So what are the effects?
Capital account credited. Yes, capital account credited. And the profit, it comes
income
after
statement
interest.
debited.
Okay.
Okay. So come on, write
Okay.
the two effects of the following things. I'm writing the question, write the two effects of following things. Or you can say interest on capital. Give me the two effects of this.
Capital account credited, appropriation account debited.
But to answer interest on loan.
I think appropriation, wait, credit, exception.
Capital account credit.
Then appropriation debit.
Not appropriation. This is an exception. So income statement debit.
Okay, why? Why income statement?
Because this is an exception item. We treat it as an expense. We don't treat it as division of profit. Interest on capital, two effects. Tell me. Two effects for interest on capital. Tell fast.
Yeah, appropriation and the capital. Those are the two accounts. So
Appropriation debit, capital credit.
Credit, yeah.
For interest on drawings. Two effects for interest on drawings.
Capital account debit.
Yeah, and then appropriation credit.
Capital debit, appropriation credit. Very good. Two effects for salary to partners.
Capital credit, appropriation account debit.
Capital credit, appropriation account debit. Okay, very good. So let's go to the MCQ. What is the two effect for interest on capital?
Capital account debit.
Capital account debit.
No, capital account credit.
Okay. And
Income statement debit.
appropriation account.
Appropriation account.
Okay. And if you have capital account and current account both, you will give preference to current account. Okay.
Okay.
Please remember this. Again, if you want, I'm just putting it over here, just revise it. The effects of interest on capital, interest on loan, interest on drawing, salary to partner, commission to partner. I hope this is clear. Do you remember the current account or capital account format? What comes over here?
Balance brought down.
Then,
Opening balance. Then additional capital. Then
then
interest. Then drawing.
closing capital and interest on loan. These are 5 exception items that comes in capital or current account, not in appropriation. Then what? Income from partners, appropriation credit, capital debit, that is interest on drawings. And interest on capital, expense towards partners. Capital credit, appropriation debit. Let's go to the MCQs. Try this. What do they want?
Total interest.
Total interest on?
Capital account.
What is total capital?
Total capital. 20,000.
What will be total interest on capital?
Total interest.
10%.
10%.
So,
Means 2,000.
option
D.
D.
very
Easy.
good. Yeah, easy. Go to the next one. If partner's current account has a credit balance, what does it represent?
It's either current liability or part of capital. I'm not sure. I think current liability.
D. No, man.
Yes,
Capital. Because
partner
it's
is
current
owner.
account.
What is owner's money called?
Okay,
Capital.
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 Nice.
It's partner's money. Partner is owner's. Owner's money is called capital. Are you with me? Come on.
Yes.
Yeah, I got it. Okay.
Try this. I'm putting it in pause.
I think it is B. Okay, yeah. You already showed the answer.
I don't know. I'm also calculating.
No, you're showing the answer now.
Okay. 21,500 is divided between two partners, right?
Yeah, it's 10,750 divide when you divide it into two, it's 10,750.
Okay. Umed, Jonathan, did you get it? They want a
Yes, ma'am.
share of profit for each partner.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Jonathan, did you get it?
So it will be so 50% of both, right?
Yeah.
Will be divided into two.
H. Okay? So he has
Okay.
opening credit balance.
We have to find for drawing on debit side 2,800. Salary on credit side 8,000. Share of profit.
What is the profit sharing ratio? Okay, this is the share of profit only.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's go to the next one. Read it. There is capital account and current account both. So in this case, which option will you give more preference to?
Current account.
Current account. Very good. Which side? Interest on drawings.
Debit side.
Hassan?
He left.
Hassan? Jonathan?
I understand it, miss. Yes.
Come on, 15th one.
Okay.
Interest on capital. Share of profit. Which side will it appear in the current account? Interest on capital, share of profit. Which side will it appear in the current account? Think we just prepared capital account. Which side? Share of profit, interest on capital. Tell me, I'm waiting.
Wait, just give me 1 second, miss.
Credit side.
Sorry?
Credit side.
Yeah. Just try to recollect the format of current account and capital account. Again, I'm showing it to you. Balance
Ma'am,
sheet
current
income,
account and capital account have same format, right?
additional, yeah, same format.
Okay.
Additional capital, interest on capital, salary to partner, commission to partner, share of profit. This is also called as expense towards partners. And there is one exception item that also comes over here. It is interest on loan. I hope I'm very clear with this.
Yes, ma'am. So it's option D, right?
Yeah, it is option D. What comes on the debit side? Can you tell me? Jonathan,
Interest on drawing
first drawings,
and then closing balance.
interest on drawings, and balance close down. But do you don't know this format?
Oh, I do.
Then why you can't answer?
Okay, I will answer the next one, miss.
Jonathan,
Yes, ma'am.
you know this format, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why don't you answer? Come on, try this one. I want you to try hard. Is the salary to the partner expense towards partners?
Salary, yeah, 15,000.
So what is the net divisible profit?
40.
40,000.
All right. Now we will divide
40,000 will
40
be
into
split
2.
equally.
Yeah.
So the answer is A.
So the drawings for the year, we don't need them, right? It's just there to, like, make us confused.
It is there to confuse you, and it comes in the capital or current account.
Okay, not in this.
Yeah, so you should know what comes in which account. Humaid and Jonathan, are you clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead, try this sum.
What was
To the
residual profit?
and share of residual profit, they have made the appropriation account and given us. Please read the question properly. So net profit add interest on drawings. This will become 10,500 minus interest on capital.
2,500. Yeah,
So
it's
10,000.
8,000
So it is 8,000. What is this
divided by
8,000?
4,000.
This 8,000 is net divisible
Total.
profit
Yeah,
or residual profit.
okay. And then the share will be divided by 2. Okay,
So
so 4,000.
4,000. Humaid, Jonathan, are you with me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Did
ma'am.
you understand this? Humaid, did you understand this?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Come on. Go to the next one. Try it yourself. Come on, Naidu. Kumar and Khan are in partnership sharing profits and losses equally. They want Kumar current account balance. What do they want? They want
Kumar's,
Kumar's current account.
yeah.
Current account and capital account are different, okay? In current account, you can write only balance of current account if you have. So interest on capital is 5%. So I'm giving interest
Oh, yeah.
on capital.
Okay. But
5%
since they want only
will be 5.
Kumar's, okay. Yeah. I understand it, miss, yes.
Net
So-
profit for the year is 28,000. From that, you will minus interest on capital. So the total
Only
capital
500 though.
No. This is appropriation account I'm preparing.
Okay, so total it's wait, 1,500 I think.
30,000
5% of
into
them.
5%.
Yeah, it's 1,500.
1,500. What is the residual profit?
Technically it is 13,250. That's what I found.
26,500 is the residual profit.
Okay, now we were supposed to divide it into 2. So it's yeah, it's 13,250.
So share of profit is how much?
1,300, 2,050.
So what will be his current account balance?
Oh, we will add that. So it's okay.
Okay. Which type of business will require appropriation account? So partnership and limited
Partnership.
company both require an appropriation account. Even limited
All of them.
companies, yeah, both. Even limited companies require appropriation account. Okay. Come on, 24th. Try it yourself.